To add money to your PayPal account, you have several options. 1. Link a bank account. One of the most common ways is to link your bank account to your PayPal account. To do this, log into your PayPal account, go to the Wallet section, click Link a bank or link a card, and follow the instructions. Once linked, you can transfer money from your bank account to PayPal. 2. Receive payments. If you use PayPal for online selling or freelance work, you can receive payments directly into your PayPal account. This balance can be used for future transactions or transferred to your linked bank account. 3. Add money via Cash Reload. Some retail locations offer a service where you can add cash to your PayPal account. Check if there are any nearby stores participating in this program, such as CVS or 7-Eleven. 4. Transfer from another PayPal user. If you have a friend or family member with a PayPal account, they can send you money through PayPal, which you can then use or transfer to your bank. 5. PayPal Cash Card. If you have a PayPal Cash Card, you can deposit money at certain ATMs. PayPal will provide you with a list of eligible ATMs for this service. 6. Mobile Check Deposit. If you receive a paper check, you can use the PayPal mobile app to take pictures of the check and deposit it into your PayPal account. Remember that PayPal may have fees associated with certain methods, so be sure to review their fee schedule before adding money to your account. Additionally, ensure your account is verified and in good standing to use all these features.